Welcome back to our DevOps series. Today, we're covering the essential tools you need for a successful DevOps workflow. There are tons of tools out there, but I'll highlight the core ones that can take your DevOps process to the next level. Let's start with version control. First up, Git. Git is a version control system that allows developers to track changes in their code. With Git, you can collaborate on code, keep a history of changes, and roll back if something breaks. Next, we have Jenkins. Jenkins is a popular tool for continuous integration/continuous delivery, or CI/CD. It automates the process of building, testing, and deploying your applications, ensuring you always have a working version ready to release. For containerization, Docker is a must. It allows you to package your application along with all its dependencies into a container, ensuring it runs consistently no matter where it's deployed. Kubernetes is the go-to for container orchestration. It helps you manage, scale, and deploy containerized applications across clusters of machines. Finally, for monitoring, there's Prometheus and Grafana. Prometheus collects metrics from your applications, and Grafana visualizes them, giving you real-time insight into performance. These are just a few of the core tools every DevOps team should consider. Each tool solves a specific challenge, and when combined, they create a powerful DevOps workflow. Thanks for tuning in. In our next video, we'll dive into creating your first CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and Git.